it's Raquel. Well, welcome back. I'm here today again with Jeff, our wonderful mortgage broker, who's going to catch us up on some stuff for this month. We've had a lot of inquiries always with regards to people who are looking for a home that has a secondary dwelling as kind of a mortgage helper or an in-law suite, if you will. And many people always often find questions with regards to how will that affect my mortgage? Is it positive? Is it negative? And they've been always really hard to find. So we have really great news in two counts. One being the city has made some changes to allow this now to be far more accessible across the board. So specifically with regards to that, you can always give me a shout later with regards to that. But the best news is how that's going to help you with your mortgage. And that's what Jeff is here today to talk to us about. So Jeff, tell us about how we can use the rental income to help us with the mortgage.
Really good question. So I get that question quite a bit. Various lenders use various calculations for the rental income for a legal apartment in your house, and it does need to be legal to use the income, number one. Number two, there's a big wide variety from lender to lender. If you were to go walk into a regular bank, they may only give you 50% of the rental income and add it to your gross income as a job. So that may yield you, let's say on a $300,000 house, 20% down is a minimum for rental property. So that's a conservative estimation for rental income, 50% of that. As opposed to if you go to another lender that is more aggressive, they can use 80% of the rental income and offset that against the mortgage payment, which could be the difference of another $100,000 as far as qualifying to a $400,000 house with 20% down. So there is a big difference from lender to lender on what sort of income, rental income, that they can use. So it's really worth your while to sort of search around and find that, a better lender that will give you more rental income.
Fabulous. So for our buyers who are looking at this, which is now really feasible option, that's something that you could do for them. Is if they come to you, then they could, you would source more than one lender. Correct. To see which would be best option for them.
Correct, yes. Okay. There's various rates at lender to lender for rental mortgages, so it's sourcing the best interest rate for that particular product for that particular investor. Some investors are okay with being more aggressive, some are not. So I would search around to find that best fit for that borrower.
Excellent. Yeah. Fabulous. So whether you're a first-time home buyer or looking to buy, a second property, or a veteran investor, if you want to give us a shout, either myself or Jeff, and we'll be able to work together for you in order to answer some questions and get you the best possible rate and get you into a place that's going to help you pay the mortgage.